Alright everybody, I'm just going to post this quick little video here out of sequence as somebody with experience with these old cars can really help me out with a problem that I've been fighting with. Just playing around with the alignment inside the frame. I'm pretty good. These body lines in these old cars are tight. I got the striker put in. Looks pretty good. The problem that I face, and it was the same on the opposite side, is that I can't get this corner to go in. That's the biggest problem I have. I mean, it looks not too bad from here, but from this side I got a gap, and you can actually see sunlight through there from inside. And they're pissing around with the hinges, and I just want to know if anybody who's worked on these old cars has a trick to suck that corner in. I'd greatly appreciate it.